Kick off the event. Unpacking the phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the English language and unlock the secrets of speaking like a native. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting and widely used phrase, kick off the event. Whether you're at a sports game, attending a conference, or participating in a casual gathering, this phrase pops up quite often. So, let's break it down and understand all its nuances, ensuring you can use it confidently in your conversations. Before we delve into the phrase itself, let's understand the words, kick off. Originally coming from sports, particularly football or soccer, depending on where you're from, it refers to the action that starts the game. The ball is placed at the center of the field, and a player kicks it to officially begin the match. This action is full of anticipation and excitement, marking the start of something engaging and action-packed. When we take this phrase beyond the sports field, kick off the event inherits a similar sense of beginning or starting, but it's applied to various events. This could be a conference, a workshop, a party, or even a project at work. Using kick-off in this context suggests an official start or inauguration of an event, often implying that it is significant, well-planned, and awaited. Now that we understand what it means, let's see it in action. Here are a few examples. We're all excited to kick off the event with a speech from our CEO. The festival will kick off with a parade through the city center. Let's kick off this project with a brainstorming session. Notice how the phrase can adapt to various contexts, always indicating the start of something important. It's also fascinating to see how kick off blends into cultural contexts. For instance, in corporate settings, kicking off a project or a fiscal year can be a ceremonial act, marked by meetings, presentations, or even parties. Meanwhile, in casual or informal gatherings, kicking off an event might simply mean starting it with a particular activity or gesture that sets the tone. Additionally, you might encounter variations like kick-off meeting or kick-off party, which specify the nature of the event being started. Understanding phrases like kick off the event not only enriches your vocabulary but also helps you grasp the cultural nuances of English. It's a phrase that's packed with energy, anticipation, and the promise of something great to come. We hope this video has been informative and that you're now ready to use kick off in your own conversations and writings. Don't forget to practice, and as always, happy learning. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.